Hey there. Thanks for tuning in to BlueHat CyberSec Academy, where your journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert begins. So what's protecting your digital life right now? Is it your passwords? Maybe some antivirus software? Or honestly, is it just luck? Here's the truth. We live in a time where every click, every connection, every piece of data is under threat. And while most people are just hoping they're safe online, cybercriminals are counting on that hope. Massive companies like Microsoft, Facebook, Equifax, Colonial Pipeline, all hacked. And governments, breached, hospitals, held ransom, regular people, their identities, money, and privacy stolen every single day. Now here's the other truth. Cybersecurity isn't just important anymore. It's essential. And honestly, the world doesn't have nearly enough people to keep up. Right now, there are over 3.5 million cybersecurity jobs open around the world. Companies are desperate to find skilled professionals who can protect their systems, their data, and honestly, their future. So here's the million-dollar question. Why not you? We welcome you to BlueHat CyberSec Academy, your all-access pass to the world of cybersecurity. This isn't just another tech channel. This is your launchpad. We're here to take you from curious beginner to confident professional, with clear, practical, real-world training. We believe cybersecurity should be accessible, exciting, and empowering. No gatekeeping, no fluff. Just the skills you need to succeed. Here's what you'll get when you join us. Tutorials that teach you the tools and techniques the pros use. Certification exams, prep material, step-by-step guides in ethical hacking, network defense, and threat analysis. Deep dives into real cyber attacks. What happened, how, and why. Industry updates so you stay ahead of evolving threats. Career tips to help you break into the field or level up fast. We don't just teach theory. We teach skills that defend, knowledge that empowers. So if you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines, if you're ready to understand how the digital world really works, and if you're serious about building a career that's future-proof, in demand, and genuinely impactful, hit that subscribe button right now. Join the BlueHat community, and let's build the next generation of cybersecurity professionals, where you don't just learn to hack, you learn to protect.